The Chase Freedom Flex and the Chase Freedom Unlimited. These are two of the most recommended starter cards out there, and for good reason. But how do you pick which of these are for you? We're going to answer that today. First, let me give this cliche but still true answer, is that there is value to be had with both of these cards. If you end up picking the wrong one the first time, you can still get the second one and still come out ahead because these cards are that valuable. But I know you're here for the perfect one. So we're going to break this down by what they have in common, what's different about them, and then we'll come up with our decision as far as how to pick the best one. Make sure to stick around because I'm going to share the difference between what I recommend for you and what I actually do. Getting into it now, both of these cards are marketed as cashback cards, and by themselves, that's all they are. However, we are a travel channel here at Nurse Michael Travels, and so I need to tell you that you are able to get these cards, stockpile the rewards, and then whenever you're ready, get the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Sapphire Reserve, and then you're able to move this cash back over to Ultimate Rewards on one of those cards, and you're able to take advantage of all the opportunities and maximizing your rewards. As always, there's referral links down in the description below if you don't have a friend or family member's link to use. I can't tell you how much it means to me if you do use these. Let me know in the comments so I can personally thank you. Getting into the sign up bonus, they typically have the same one available, and that bonus is typically $200 after you spend $500 within 3 months, which is very easy to do. You also get 0% APR for the first 15 months, which I don't recommend that you leverage personal credit because of the risk, but that's there for you to do. And from time to time, they'll have promotional offers such as getting 5x back on gas and grocery for a year. Or at the time of this recording, the Chase Freedom Unlimited specifically has like a double cash back offer, which can be a great deal. However, for the sake of this video and the longevity of it, we're going to judge these cards based on having the same sign-up bonus. But make sure to look into that. Again, link in the description. If that offer is still available, it's something definitely look into more. In terms of earning, both of these cards earn 3x back on dining, delivery, and takeout services. You get 3x back on drugstores, think CVS and Walgreens, and you get 5x back on any travel booked through the Chase Travel Portal. There's also some temporary perks that we tend to gloss over because they don't last forever. Stuff like an Instacart free trial and a quarterly credit, a GoPuff credit every month, a bonus multiplier with Lyft. And so I do plan on making a video as far as how to maximize these benefits. I'll post it up above whenever it's ready for you. So in terms of differences, starting with the Freedom Unlimited, this card earns you 1.5x on all purchases, so it makes it very simple for you, and that's in addition to the multipliers we just talked about. Additionally, this card is a Visa card, which doesn't mean much in the grand scheme of things, but it's something worth mentioning because some people are really addicted to Costco and they only accept Visas. Now the Chase Freedom Flex, instead of the 1.5% back on everything, they have quarterly rotating categories where you earn 5x back. Now what the heck does that mean? So every 3 months, Chase picks out a few merchants where you're able to earn 5x back. And I'm in December, so the categories for this quarter was wholesale clubs, PayPal, and select charities. So you would just link your PayPal account to your Freedom Flex and make online purchases and get the 5x back on that. So here's a table with some previous categories so you can kind of get an idea as far as what's offered throughout the year. Now the thing is, Chase doesn't tell you until up to like 2 weeks before the quarter starts. And then you also have to activate it. So they send you emails and reminders. It's not super easy to forget, but it is an extra step. So you're able to earn 5x back on these categories, up to $1,500 spent. So that's 7,500 points that you can earn if you're able to maximize this benefit. And so that's what the Chase Freedom Flex offers in terms of earning rewards. Also, the Freedom Flex is a MasterCard, so no Costco. However, it does come with cell phone protection. And now if you have other credit cards, you may already have this perk, but with this card, you get $800 of coverage per claim. All you have to do is just pay your cell phone bill with this credit card. And now be sure to read the terms and conditions of the card first before canceling your insurance that you have with your cell phone provider. Again, I'll put that in the description for you to read as well. Now to answer the question, it really depends on your personality and your preferences in my opinion. So if you're an over-analytical type of person, if you like to use spreadsheets for fun, or if you're just like that maximizer, you gotta have the most, you gotta have the best, then the Chase Freedom Flex is for you. Alternatively, if good enough is really good enough for you, and you just wanna coast and have an easy card that to just swipe, then hands down the Chase Freedom Unlimited is for you. Now if you wanna know what I actually do, then make sure to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe and all that good jazz. But I do actually have the Freedom Flex, and I do maximize maximize those quarterly bonuses. I don't have the Freedom Unlimited. However, I do have the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited card. I have an extra one of those, and so sometimes I do that naughty thing and put personal expenses on that card. However, I don't use it for business expenses. And just a reminder, I am a nurse in Nurse Michael Travels. I am not an accountant, so this is not financial advice. Now, I will say I have been looking into getting my fiance to use my referral link to get either get another Freedom Flex or Freedom Unlimited card. And then even with the Business Unlimited, I tend to use my Capital One Venture X to earn 2x Capital One miles instead. So now that we've figured out which card we're going to get, if you want to learn how to use your Chase points to book free American Airlines flights, you can check out this video here. Or if you want to know about the rest of the cards that I use on a daily basis, check out this video here. Thank you for sticking around to the end. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.